So the video that I've watched is about the guy who has or who is using high smart house or smart home. So if you wanna watch the video, just click on the link here or on the comment section. So before we proceed, let's just have first a short definition or understanding what is IoT or the Internet of Things. So ano ba yung IoT na yan? So the IoT, it is the interconnectedness of any physical devices that has a software or sensors that na nakakapagpa-connect sa ibang mga bagay. So, ganun lang. Now, let's just go on to my reaction about the video that I've watched on YouTube. So, the video that I've watched on YouTube is about the guy who has or using smart home or smart house. So that's what I have watched. He is very dependent on using the smart house or smart home. He uses it in his everyday life. So every actions that he will do will is very easy for him because the technology itself does it for him. So hindi niya na kailangan na magpagod kasi mayroon na siyang mga devices na sumusunod sa kahit anong sabihin niya. So there are a lot of advantages in using an IoT or the Internet of Things. But on the video that I've watched, the advantages there is that it makes the daily life of the man or the guy easier because by just his own voice, the technology can respond or can do whatever he may said or command. In addition to that, it is very useful nowadays and it is very convenient because we don't need to worry about the things. We don't need to do a lot of things. And yeah, we don't need to worry as well as the security because it has a voice sensor. I am particularly referring to a door or a store, in which only the owner can or will be granted if you make a request or comment. But from the video, it's a little bit funny because when the owner got a toothpick, yeah, he go on to the dentist. The dentist cut his teeth, and when he come back to his house, the voice sensor of his door cannot detect what he said because it's unclear. So yeah. So IoT is incredibly important in today's modern world with technology and the internet constantly evolving, while IoT IoT offers a lot of advantages or convenience in our life, it is essential to remember that every actions that we make or we will make has a consequences. So it's either good or bad. IoT encompasses a vast network of physical devices beyond just smart house or smart homes. And while I appreciate its benefit, I am more value the life of being simple or simplicity. But I don't disregard the IoT. It's just that I am more value the life of being simple. Yes. So always keep in mind that every little action is still counted. So it could be positive or negative the outcomes. IoT is very good in our society, most especially it helps us to be more high-tech and advanced. But just make sure you will use it in a proper way.